In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram feed to your Wix Studio website. Whether you're looking to showcase your latest Instagram posts, engage your audience with dynamic visuals, or simply enhance the overall look of your site, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll have a fully functional Instagram feed embedded in your Wix Studio website, seamlessly integrated and customized to suit your brand's style. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Elfsight website. Elfsight is an excellent tool that provides ready-made widgets to enhance your website's functionality and design. Once you're on the website, locate the My Apps section. This section is where you'll find all the tools and widgets available for you to use. Next, click on the Catalog tab. This is essentially the widget library where you can browse through various options. Scroll through the catalog until you find the Instagram feed widget. You'll notice that it's labeled as a bestseller, which means it's a popular choice for many users. Click on it to begin the setup process. After selecting the Instagram feed widget, you'll be prompted to choose a template. Here, you'll find several options that determine the look and feel of your Instagram feed. Take your time to preview these templates and select the one that best aligns with your website style. Once you've made your choice, click Continue with this template to proceed. Now, it's time to customize your widget. This step is crucial as it allows you to tailor the Instagram feed to your specific needs. Start by clicking on Edit Ad Source. This is where you'll specify the Instagram account or hashtag you want to pull content from. For example, you can connect your personal Instagram account or use a branded hashtag to display curated posts. Once you've set the source, you can further refine your feed by adjusting the filters. Filters let you control which types of posts are displayed. You can also configure sorting options to arrange posts by popularity, date, or other criteria, depending on what's most relevant for your audience. After setting up the content, it's time to tweak the layout. This step ensures that the Instagram feed fits seamlessly with your website's overall design. You'll want to adjust the layout settings, such as the number of columns, spacing, and alignment, to match your site's aesthetic. Additionally, you can fine-tune individual post settings to make sure everything aligns with your brand's visual identity. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish to make the customized widget live. After publishing, Elfsight will generate an embed code for you. This code is what you'll use to integrate the Instagram feed into your Wix Studio website. Copy the embed code to your clipboard. Now, open Wix Studio and navigate to the Wix editor. Inside the editor, go to the Add Elements section. This is where you can add new components to your website. From the menu, select Embed and Social, then click on Embed Code and choose Enter Code. A text box will appear where you can paste the embed code you copied from Elfsight. After pasting the code, click Update to finalize the integration. And that's it. Your Instagram feed is now live on your Wix Studio website. It's fully functional, beautifully customized, and ready to engage your visitors. If you ever need to make changes, you can easily revisit Elfsight to update the widget, and the changes will reflect on your website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.